Would you like to learn how to recover quicker from any physical pain that you are suffering from, such as headaches, injuries? Would you like to learn how to recover from any emotional challenges, such as relationship challenges, what is so-called anger, depression, stress? Would you like to learn how to actually heal any mental issues that you might be going through, such as overthinking, negative thought patterns and beliefs? If so, then Reiki is for you. Reiki is an ancient healing modality that consists on placing your hands on the energy points in the body called chakras so that you unblock any blockages that might exist on a physical, mental, and emotional level. Come and join my courses, Reiki Level 1, 2, and 3, here at Illuminations JLT. This is Nada Sadir, Reiki Healing Master Teacher. You are all so very welcomed. Thank you.